and welcome back to my channel, Fun with Prisha. Today we're going to be learning some 5 vocabulary words and their pronunciations. So let's get started. So the first word is healed. This pangolin will go back to the forest when it is well or healed. Here the new word is healed. Do you know what healed means? It means like better or ready to go somewhere. So from sick to better, okay? So recovery, okay? So here's the exercise. Decide whether the word healed makes sense in these sentences, okay? I looked for the healed in this bathtub. What is healed? Heal is not the thing. Second, my broken arm healed in the cast. It's correct, right? It's broken, so it was hurt and now it's better, right? So good. The cat healed after its operation. Oh, look, here's operation, which means like sick or something, and then it got better from its sick, so still correct. We healed after the man. What? It's not, healed is an action, but it should be we chased after a man or something. Next page. So the next word is brag. These antlers are something to brag about. They are huge. Here there are 2 words to understand, okay? So antlers and brag. So antlers means like the adult deers, like their horn, okay? Yes. The second word is brag. So do you know what brag means? Brag means talking too proudly about themselves, okay? It's mean, right? They are huge. So bragging about they're so huge. So example 1. I came top in the test, he bragged. So he's saying, so in any kind of test, he was number 1. It's really good he was number 1, but he shouldn't like brag about that, right? He can explain his friends like this was wrong and this was correct, right? Example 2. Julia used to brag that her family had a villa in Spain. Here, like, so Julia bragged that she had a very, very big, like, house in Spain. Spain is a country, okay? Like, very big house. So it might be good, but shouldn't be so proud about that, right? Example 3. I wish she'd stop bragging about how rich her parents are. So she's bragging too much about how rich her parents are. My parents are so rich. I'm so lucky. Like, I'm so rich. So it's a little annoying. We already know it. And again, she's saying. So we already know it. And it also makes us a little sad right down. So here the next word is tease. Never tease or bother wild animals. Don't read it as brother, okay? Bother. Always respect them. So here the new word is tease. Do you know what tease means? It means like annoying them and making them a little down. Next page. The exercise. Answer these questions. Why would someone want to tease a little sister? Maybe bigger brothers do that to make the sisters like happy, like peekaboo or something. Do you think you should ever tease your teacher? No, it's really bad. Teacher helps you, doesn't it? Okay, if a teacher teases you, she never teases you. So why should you tease to her? Choices. Visitors at the aquarium have many choices of things to see. So choices is like options, okay? Like options they want to see. Because there are hundreds of them. So it's their choice to choose, okay? Like that. So spaghetti and meatballs. I think this choice is not good for me. I don't eat meat, so I think my choice is no. Meatball and milk. Okay, that choice is good. It's good for me to eat and also healthy. Apples and bananas. My choice will be yes because I like fruit. And chicken and rice, maybe the choice will be no because I don't eat chicken. The last word is scent. Roses have a scent or smell that is as sweet as perfume. Here, the new word is scent. Do you know what scent means? It is kind of a smell, but smell can be bad smell or good smell. But scent is a smell that is always good and nice, like a perfume. It's for now, and I hope you learned some new words and their pronunciations. So, see you next time, and bye-bye. Happy weekend.